Hey, today I wanted to take you with me to Marshall's to see what they have in right now for spring. All right, so they have a lot of spring and Easter decor. They have some displayed in the front. They had that cute wreath there for like $17. They have table decor. That egg piece there was $20. They have those pieces from India, just like, Home Goods in different stores like that. They have a lot of pretty things. So if you like to decorate and change up for the seasons, you might want to head over to Marshall's and pick up some of these spring and Easter decor because they do have, like I said, a lot of pretty pieces that'll go with a lot of different spaces. They have some great furniture pieces right now. So a lot of wood side tables. I love a good wood side table because these can go in your living room, these can go in your bedroom, these can go in your office, these can go a lot of different places. So they had slightly different. They kind of look the same, but they're not the same. Like this one kind of has like that rattan like look on the front, and that one was on sale. They had this right here. I thought it opened because doesn't that look like hinges right there? But I couldn't figure out how to open it. But it's a good storage shelf anyway for $100. They have some great seating. So this is kind of giving me like a retro vibe with the colors and everything. So they were 150 a piece for those. This is a more traditional look, so this will fit in with a lot of different places. You can use this as a dining chair. You can use this as side chairs. This right here, thought it was nice. I love a good wood piece, so this was nice, and it had like the metal details with it, and that was 150 for that. This one, another good bench that you can sit in the front of your house. You can take your shoes off, use it for storage, and it was on sale for 144. They have a lot of counter stools, bar stools, and they have multiple of them, so you can get you a set of them. You don't have to worry about, not finding the other one. That faux leather one was like $80. This one right here, you can see though, this one had like some dings in it. So always when you're shopping, look out for those things. It was on sale, but the you would have to finish up the dings, like fix that up. More cute Easter decor. So that was $13 for those two bunnies. These are pretty right here. Need to be a good bowl filler for $10. These kind of have like a little yarn look to it, the little carrots there. $7. Just a ton of, and like Easter decor is cute because you could use it all spring. $15 for that Happy Easter one. These bunnies are cute. Like I said, I love a good wood piece. $8 for those. And you can see they came in different positions, so you can get them that way. This sign right here, $10 I think for that. It said Easter blessings. So just a ton of different things. If you have a pet, Marshalls and places like that are going to be great to get things to put their treats and stuff. So this glass one I liked right here with the little paw on top, and that one was $13. Bathroom accessories, of course, so that right there. And then you can get the matching little toothbrush holder for like $6. These I thought were interesting. So it's the bamboo bath mat. So they had it in I don't know if you see the other pattern. They had two different patterns, but it was $15. Thought that was interesting and different than the rubber one that you always use. These I do use a runner in my kitchen, and I like a simple white and black one. So that one was $19. Thought that was real pretty. So they had a few different choices. So you can use these, different places, but I do like a cute runner in the kitchen as long as you can keep it clean, because you don't want it to get messy. Wall art, things like that. They have a good selection. I like a nice neutral piece, but these flowers I thought were really pretty. So they had this piece right here for $50, and then those flowers there you can see. So that was a good size wall piece too. So if you're looking to change up your wall art, and it kind of gives you that spring feel, right? This right here, another stool, so 150 for that one. And the gray is nice and neutral, and it goes with the wood there. This one right here, this could be an office chair, a kitchen chair. So that one was $100. They have a ton of like table baskets, so you can use these for display. That one was nice and large. It was $20. They had different styles, the wall art that everybody loves. So that one was $24, and they had those in different sizes too. This reminds me of something that I've seen at like Pottery Barn or someplace like that, and it was on sale for $48. So that one was a good deal. These benches, they're two separate benches. They're not connected, so it's two separate pieces. And that one was on sale too. This right here, everybody loved this style, and I was just showing you that it is a mirror, so you can see in it. But these are great wall art. It didn't have a tag on it though. These baskets, love them because they're nice, simple, and neutral, and they had them in different sizes. So it went from $20 to $15, and then the middle size one was about $17, but the size wasn't that big of a difference. This I thought was cute because it's different than the baskets that you always use to store your blankets and pillows and stuff. And it was only $50. This right here, that's a toilet paper holder. So for $15, thought that was interesting. So just a lot of cute pieces that you might want to add because baskets add that texture, to your home. So I always think those are great. More cute little Easter decor or spring decor. So $8 for a little bunny, and he told him to carry it. So wreaths, a ton of different wreaths. So they generally around the same price, but they have, slight different styles to them. This I thought was so pretty. So it's a garland, and then you can see the carrot and the bunny. It's not as vivid in the picture as it is in person. It's so pretty. So I just thought that was something pretty if you do garland and stuff like that. More wreath options. So that one is a small one for like $15. This one had the little bunny ears on it, and then the faux florals and stuff for $25. They had this one right here. It was packed in the back. So you're just seeing it like from the side, but it's like a bunny in a basket. So it's like an Easter basket, and the bunny is in it. And that one was $40. And then it has the faux florals and stuff. I thought that one was pretty. This big guy right here, I couldn't get a price because I believe the price is on the bottom, and I hate when they put the price on the bottom of heavy things. So I'm thinking he's about $100. I don't know. I'm guessing for that one. A ton of St. Patrick's Day decor. So they had the little plushies, the stuffed little leprechauns, and they went from like $8 to $13. Some of them were $7, different prices. These type mugs I think are so cute. So they have the little top on them. So $10, and I think they're cute because you can leave them out for display, and then it kind of keeps your stuff warm. Little salt and pepper shaker there, $10. So a lot of the little St. Patrick's, Irish stuff. So $5 for that mug. A ton of different mugs, ton of cute placemats. So they came in sets. So this one is a set of 4, and it's kind of like, quilted. So $15 for that one. Thought that was nice. Then they had this one right here. So that one is on sale too for $12. And that's more of a spring one. This one too, another spring like one on sale for $12. And that again came in a set. This one I thought was cute, $15 for this one with the little clovers on it. This one, another clover set for $15. This one I thought was nice too. All of them I really thought were nice, but this one only came with 2. So you see if you get 2 or you get 4, that one was pretty. More Easter and spring stuff. So they just, like I said, had a ton of nice stuff. And I like a good wood piece because it can go with so many different styles and homes. So that one was $15. Just they had serving trays, they had figurines, they had so many different things. This little like Easter egg set right here, $15. So all of the mat sets were about the same. This one was my favorite. So $13 for that one, and the bunnies were pretty on that. Of course, you can get kitchen storage, things like that, pantry storage. So $7 for that set of containers there. And then this set was a 3-piece set. The spring color storage containers. So if you do like meal prep, you want to pack your lunch, different things like that, they have like more spring colors right now. So this one is cute because it came with the little spork in there too. So only $5 to pack your lunch. These glass containers, good for storage. So $4.50, and it kind of has that holographic look to it, and you can see different patterns. So they're not all the same. So you can get different ones. Again, just more pretty spring colors, storage things, because the season is changing. And so I just think it's cute, to have a different. So this is an 8-piece set. So you'll get those different sizes, and then it shows you like on the thing that you get the sizes you'll get, and you get them in those pretty colors. This one is a different type with that kind of bamboo top, and that's a 3-piece set, and that one was on sale too. So a lot of just cute little things. Candy. So if you're doing Easter baskets or you just want spring candy, those Jordan almonds that everybody eats every year, so $5 for those. Just a ton of different things. I just noticed that Peeps hot chocolate set. Interesting. Wish I would have grabbed that. So gummy candies, chocolates, just all kind of different things. These kind of still giving me that Valentine's vibe, but still spring. But this little set right here I thought was cute because it looked like a little a peep bird. So it's the coffee, like the creamer set. This right here. So if you do baking and different things like that, you can decorate your little cupcakes and different things and just really have it pretty displayed. Tote bags, if you change up your tote bags and different things, because the reusable bags, I have a ton of them. I'm always getting more because I always leave them in the house, in the car, and I forget to bring them in. And then I buy more. But you can get some pretty spring ones here at Marshall's right now. So whatever you need for spring, head over to Marshall's and pick some stuff up.